the largest single campus university with more than 30,000 students offering more than 150 programs across 40 plus disciplines. Guess where we are today? Of course, it's the lovely professional university. मैं अभी तक इस कैंपस के अंदर जस्ट घुसा ही घुसा हूँ एंड आई कैन फील द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस एंटायर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्प्रेड ओवर 600 एकर्स. आज मैं आपको पूरा एक डिटेल्ड कैंपस टूर कराने वाला हूँ अबाउट LPU. So this campus is huge and of course I have some help here. I have Akshita who's a student from LPU. Hi Akshita.
Hi.
What's up? Tell me something about yourself first.
So, as you have already told my name, so I'm from MSc Economics. I'm in my last semester right now, so I'll be leaving this university very soon.
Perfect. Very nice. How was your whole journey of
It was
studying
awesome.
it?
Awesome.
Awesome.
I had a lot of opportunities here. Recently, I just came back from a semester exchange program, so
That's
I
great.
had a lot of fun in this university.
That's great. That's great. Now, Akshita, I want to ask, what is this building? Where are we standing right now?
So this is a uni health center
Okay.
where they provide basic health facilities for the hostelers as well as the day scholars, the teachers. So
24/7
everybody- yeah.
available
It's
hai.
available 24/7.
That's nice. That's actually very helpful for all the hostelers, for all the day
Definitely.
scholars. Is this a student-run body, or do these guys have actual professional doctors?
No. This is not a student run. This is
Okay.
by the university, and we have professional doctors available here.
Okay.
So, whatever problem you will face, you will not be treated by a student.
Yeah.
You will be treated by a professional doctor.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So now, just like any other private hospital, क्या ये हॉस्पिटल भी बहुत महंगा है, खर्चीला है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, या प्राइसेस ओके हैं स्टूडेंट्स
see.
के लिए, कुछ स्पेशल डिस्काउंट्स और
Okay.
समथिंग लाइक
So,
दैट?
if you are studying in such a big university, you can definitely afford the medical services also.
Okay.
So it is not that expensive.
Okay, great. Take me through your hospital. Take me through the health center, and where are we going next?
Okay, so we'll just go by the hospital and we'll check the next block, that is DSW. So we'll be
Okay.
going through the university
Chalo,
to
let's
the
go.
DSW.
Okay. Akshita,
Yeah.
now we're at the student welfare wing.
Right.
What's happening here? This seems like a pretty vibey place. Tell me
So,
something about
This
it.
is basically the heart of LPU, or you
Okay.
can say the heart of LPU students.
Mhm.
This is the place, or this is the wing where all the extracurricular activities are happening.
Mhm.
So you can see there is EDM night and there is marathon is going, not going on. The registration is going on. So in
Feels pretty vibey यार. बहुत
Yeah, it's-
students भी हैं यहाँ पे, and of course a lot of events are happening. But इस building में क्या क्या होता है?
so
What all
basically बिल्डिंग में सारी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज जितने भी हैं, जैसे क्लासेस हो गई, स्पीकिंग क्लासेस, प्रोफिशिएंसी क्लासेस,
हाँ।
डांस क्लासेस,
हाँ।
वो सब होती हैं.
Okay.
तो अगर आप अंदर जाओगे, so you can see.
Did you ever take part in any of these?
Yeah, I have. Like,
Okay.
a lot.
What were you part
it
of?
was, I don't remember the names. It was, so see, the names of it very different and very innovative. So if any event is happening, the name will be very innovative. So you cannot remember. So I took part maybe in my first year. So I'm in my last year, so I
Yeah.
cannot remember that.
Okay.
now.
I can also see something in front. This is a huge building. What is this? Uni
So
Center.
this is our uni center. That is also called Uni Mall.
Hmm.
And here we have all kinds of shop, whether you want any clothing, you want electronics, we have everything around here. We have Domino's, Subway, CCD, Pizza Hut, everything. And we also have our courier partners that help the hostlers to send or receive the couriers. And we also have banks. We have ICICI Bank, we have HDFC Bank. So
Okay.
basically LPU is a kind of a city. If you are in
Exactly.
LPU,
सब कुछ LPU के अंदर ही डिजाइन हो
yes,
रखा
so आप एक बार अंदर आ गए, you do not need to go outside for anything.
है. Interesting है.
सब
Very
कुछ आपको
interesting.
यहीं पे मिल जाएगा.
Now we're standing in front of the Mittal School of Business. I think this is your department.
Yes.
इसके rankings के बारे में कुछ बता सकती हो? And what about the popular programs as well?
So let's talk about the ranking first of all. We have 32 ranking in the NIRF, and we have ACC and PCC accredited school. Next, if we talk about the courses, we have a lot of leading courses in our Mittal School of Business. We have MBA, BBA, BCom,
Okay.
MCom, MSc Economics, BSc Economics. So these are the main leading courses in
But
the
what
Mittal School of
what are the
Business.
top two most popular programs? MBA and BBA?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to ask more questions about these programs, but first let's go inside. Let's have a look
Let's go.
what this whole business school is about.
Okay.
Okay, is that the classroom?
Yeah, that's the classroom. But before, let me show you something. So
Hmm.
here are some of our alumni achievements,
Oh.
and here are some of our distinguished alumni,
Mhm.
like Atul Ghai. He's the cluster head and vice president in the HDFC Bank Limited.
Mhm.
Ashish Kada, he's the senior manager EY GDS Quantitative Services. And
This is great. I mean, all these achievements and all these folks, they are doing some great work. And of course, abhi to aur aage jana hai. Hashtag think big. That's great. I have more questions to ask about your batch, about your faculty, and the placements as well.
but before that, I would like to tell you one more thing.
Okay.
So our Mittal School of Business was ranked A++ in the NAC.
Oh.
And it was just last year only in 2023, and we were graded 3.68 out of 4.
That's
So
great.
this was a big achievement for us.
For all the viewers who are watching right now, Mittal School of Business is a great deal. Go on the internet, research about it, and of course, you can see all these people doing some amazing work in the business ecosystem. Now let's go. Okay, Akshita. Mittal School of Business is great, but I want to know more about your MBA program. Batch strength कितनी होती है for a typical MBA program?
Typically basic जो batch strength है 25 to 30 होती है.
Acha. Talking about the faculty, how renowned are these faculties? What is LBU doing in order to make sure that they are hiring the right kind of faculties? If you can throw some light on your faculties as well.
So in Mittal School of Business, we have some great faculties. All are PhDs, and all faculties are renowned, and they have a vast knowledge.
What is the way of teaching that is happening? Is it more case study based? Is it more कि industry experts को बुला के उनसे पढ़वा रहे हैं?
So we
What
have
is
a
happening?
mixed culture of teaching here. It is not typically book based, or we just have to read the text and we have to just answer the question in the class, or just read the text and give the exam. It's not like that. First of all, in our whatever the courses, we have different type of activities, or you can say group discussions, or the case studies discussion, or the report discussion.
Great, great. That sounds pretty great. Now imagine I have to take admission in LPU and I need to pursue my MBA.
Okay.
What is the fees? मैं कितना खर्चा करने वाला हूँ यहाँ?
First of all, when you are thinking about taking admission in LPU, the first thing you need to do is to give the LPU NEST exam.
Okay.
That is the scholarship test exam. So when you will clear the LPU NEST, you will be given scholarship slabs. There are different slab for scholarship, that is 50%, 70%, 90%, 30%. There are different slabs. So when you will give the LPU NEST, you will get a certain kind of score. So depending on your score, you will be given a specific scholarship that will be, let's say it's 50%. Your 50% fees will be deducted, and you just have to pay the 50% monthly.
Were you able to take any scholarships?
Yeah, I am on the 50% scholarship, so I just have to pay 50% of my fees.
That's great. But just to give me a ballpark number, MBA की fees कितनी है?
Let's say it's 2 lakh per semester. But it's not 2 lakh. Definitely, you will get some scholarship.
Right.
Because every student here is on some or the other scholarship.
Okay. So now, tell me something कि आगे top recruiters कौन-कौन है? कौन-कौन आ रहा है MBA graduates को hire करने?
The leading recruiters that we have here are Flipkart, Amazon, Aditya Birla Group, Hindustan Unilever, and there are many more leading recruiters that come to our Mittal School of Business.
Okay, that's great. Now, I think we are done with Mittal School of Business. Show me the rest of your campus. Where are we going next?
Sure. Now let's move further and see the rest of our campus.
Let's. Okay, so Akshata, where are we? Where are we standing?
Okay, so this is the LPU's engineering block. As you can see, here we have our School of Mechanical Engineering, School
Yes.
of Polytechnic, School of Civil Engineering. Here we have School of Biosciences.
Interesting, yaar, interesting. These are humongous buildings and you know what guys, मतलब ये campus इतना बड़ा है. We are of course taking a traveler with us in order to travel from one academic block to another academic block. And Akshata, I think your engineering department is the one department जहाँ से maximum packages, maximum placements निकलते हैं, right? Can you tell me something about last year या पिछले कुछ सालों के placement numbers?
Definitely. The higher package secured by a student of LPU was from the engineering block, and the package was of 3 crores.
Oh.
The second highest package was also from the engineering block. It was 64 lakh. The student was placed in Google and he took the package of 64 lakh. That has been the second highest package of whole LPU and that was from engineering block.
So, okay, packages तो बढ़िया हैं and I'm sure आपके average packages भी अच्छे होंगे. But what is the fees? What is the tuition fee जो engineering students को pay करनी पड़ती होंगी?
Okay, so the basic fees, I guess, is 1,40,000 to 1,80,000 per
Okay.
semester. But that also you will get a scholarship of
Of course.
40%.
Of course.
So each student can get a scholarship based on the LPU NEST exam that we have.
That is a good amount of ROI फिर एक जो student को मिलता है.
Yeah.
And today I was also talking to a lot of students. I interacted with a lot of students. And हर student के पास किसी ना किसी level पे एक scholarship amount था.
Definitely.
Which is what they are getting through LPU NEST.
Yes.
So people who are aspiring for LPU, this is a great opportunity. Give LPU NEST. You will get scholarship on your tuition fee, and of course, these are all the facilities that you are getting in. Akshata, यहाँ इन buildings के अंदर कौन-कौन से labs होंगे? And tell me something more about this
We
building.
have a lot of labs here. So we have robotics lab, we have mechanical lab, we have iMac lab, and many more labs we have.
Okay.
So
And I also hope कि in schools की भी अपनी खुद की library, अपने खुद की canteen है.
डेफिनेटली हमारे जितने भी ब्लॉग्स हैं सबके पास अपने खुद की सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरीज हैं, खुद की कैफ़ेज हैं, खुद की कैंटीन्स हैं.
Okay, so the campus is very huge. I guess we should move on to our next academic block and explore the lovely professional. So आगे चलते हैं यार, बहुत बहुत
बट
campus.
वन मोर थिंग,
हाँ.
कम हियर, लेट मी शो यू समथिंग. कम,
What are we gonna see?
कैन यू सी दिस?
Yes, it is a
Definitely you can
QR
see
code.
this.
It is a QR code.
हैव यू
of course.
नोटिस दैट ईच ट्री इन आवर कैंपस हैज अ QR कोड?
नहीं, इतना मैंने अभी तक देखा नहीं था, but of course now I'll try to notice. But what is the purpose of this?
गेस व्हाट इज इट?
I don't know. Should I scan it and
या
see?
जस्ट स्कैन इट.
Okay. Cool, hang on. Oh, it is actually showing me the name of the tree
यस.
and all of its life updates. मतलब ये कब का है, क्या kingdom है, किस family को belong करता है, and its uses as well.
Yeah.
That is a unique.
Did you find it interesting?
Yeah, of course. That is a very unique thing that you
So
guys
now
have.
you can just scan any tree and you'll get to know what it
ये
is.
पूरे campus
पूरे
में हर
campus
जगह है.
में, yeah. This initiative is by our School of Agriculture.
Interesting, yeah.
Yeah.
Very interesting. And I think the School of Agriculture is also
Yeah,
over
it's
here,
here only.
just here.
Let's
only.
just go down and
Yeah, sure,
see
sure,
that.
sure. I want to have a look. And I forgot to ask you, what are the top recruiters for School of Engineering?
We have Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Cognizant, IBM. So these are
Great,
the-
great, of course, of course.
Now let's see our School of Agriculture.
Okay.
So this is our School of Agriculture. We also have huge farms where students can practice in-class learning. Whatever they have been learning in the class, they can just do that in the farms. They can practically do that and learn more efficiently.
What is the average or the top package that School of Agriculture provides you guys?
The top package that has been secured by the School of Agriculture is of 16.2 lakhs.
Oh. अच्छा, और ये start जो है ये previous year का ही है,
Yes.
last year का? Great, यार, great. I think now let's leave the School of Engineering and School of Agriculture and let's move towards the other academic blocks as well.
the biggest indoor sports stadium.
Hmm.
At the back, you can see we have Olympic-sized swimming pool,
Hmm.
and this is our open gym where both boys and girls both can have their workout.
This is pretty impressive यार. This place is huge. What more things do you have here? और कौन से courts हैं और क्या
हमारे
facilities हैं?
पास बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट हैं,
हाँ
8 बैडमिंटन कोर्ट्स हैं,
हाँ
स्क्वॉश कोर्ट्स हैं,
हाँ
वी हैव अ शूटिंग एरिया
हाँ
एंड पीछे आप देख सकते हो डाइविंग एरिया भी है,
हाँ right
स्विमिंग
right
पूल,
right.
ये स्विमिंग ओलंपिक साइज स्विमिंग पूल है,
हाँ.
उसके साथ में हमारा डाइविंग एरिया है.
Have you ever used any of these facilities by the way?
Honestly speaking, I am a day scholar, so no.
Okay, ये day scholar बोल के बहुत सही justification करा.
बस.
Okay, nice place that we have. Come, let's see more of it.
Let's go.
है ना?
तो ये है एलपीयू का हैंग आउट जोन,
हाँ.
जहाँ पे सारे हॉस्टलर्स इवनिंग में बैठते हैं, खाते पीते हैं. और ये जहाँ हम अंदर जा रहे हैं,
हाँ.
ये है हमारा स्मार्ट ईटिंग पॉइंट. इसका नाम
Smart
है,
eating point. Why?
इसका नाम है बज़. और
Yeah.
ये स्मार्ट ईटिंग पॉइंट इसलिए है क्योंकि ये फुली कैशलेस है,
हाँ.
और यहाँ पे जो भी ऑर्डर एंड जो भी होता है सब कुछ डिजिटली होता है. अगर
Nice.
आपको कोई ऑर्डर देना है तो आप ऐप पे ऑर्डर प्लेस करोगे
हाँ.
और आपको वहीं पे नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगी
हाँ.
एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू गो और अपना ऑर्डर पिक करना है आपने.
Okay. This seems like an interesting place.
Yes.
The smell is also very nice.
Yeah.
बढ़िया है
एंड
यार.
एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे हर तरह का फूड भी
हाँ,
अवेलेबल है आपको.
Prices कैसे हैं यहाँ पे? Student के लिए.
प्राइसेस आर वेरी अफोर्डेबल.
Affordable?
हाँ.
Okay. Nice.
और पीछे चिलिंग जोन भी है जहाँ पे परफॉर्मेंस होती है, अभी भी
अच्छा.
हो रही है वहाँ पे.
हाँ,
You can
I
just
can
have-
I can see a couple of
Yes, you can have
students.
a look at that also.
Nice. People are
अभी भी
sitting,
people are
having a
chilling.
jamming session.
Yeah,
Of course. Coffee अच्छी होती है इनकी.
काफी अच्छी होती है.
Okay. ठीक है. ऑलमोस्ट रात हो गई है बट स्टिल हम पूरा कैंपस कवर नहीं कर पाए हैं. दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू ट्राई टू कवर अ 600 acre campus. Lovely professional university. Thank you so much, Akshita,
Most
for
welcome.
giving me a tour of whatever things we could cover. Your campus is amazing. Your college is amazing. You will be passing out soon.
Yes.
I'm sure you'll have a lot of nostalgic feelings about it.
Definitely.
Before I let you go, I want to have a final review from your end.
Okay.
How was it studying at the lovely professional university?
So for me, it was fully worth it. Whatever I have spent here, whatever time I have spent here, was amazing, and I will definitely miss out my days in LPU. And for me, it was a mixed experience. I enjoyed inside the university. I also got the chance to have a semester abroad on semester exchange program, and it was fully an amazing experience for me.
Perfect. I wish you all the very best for your
you so
journey
much.
ahead. Out of 5, how many stars would you give to lovely professional university?
So as a student, I'll definitely give 5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So that was it from our end, guys. The detailed campus tour of lovely professional university. I'll see you in the next video, but do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment section mein likho what more do you want to see on our channel. And if you want to learn anything else about LPU, I will be happy to come back here and shoot everything just for you guys. This is me, Swapnil, signing off. See you in the next video. Bye bye.